This could be your dashboard in the next 30 days. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. This could be your dashboard in the next 30 days. But only if you will follow my steps, which I followed, and if you stay until the end of the video, you will get access to my personal support and exclusive done for you bonuses. What you are about to see is not a theory, it is not fluff. It is a real, repeatable method that helped me and it could help you as well. And it does not involve being famous, spending thousands on ads, or having a huge following. I used a simple copy paste method to grow my social media presence, and I will help you the same so you can also copy paste my method. I start making consistent sales again. But before that, let me take you back a little. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Dhaval and I am the founder and owner of dhavaljpatel.com. I am a digital marketer and affiliate marketer. As a digital marketer, I have been working online for over 5 years now, helping business owners and service providers grow their businesses through digital media marketing. I have helped hundreds of my clients achieve success in their businesses and services. You can see my friend. For them, I was creating sales funnels, Facebook ads, websites, Google ads, email marketing, SEO, and many more. Everything was going so smoothly. I was helping my clients, making consistent money. We were so happy. Until AI came along. Yes, my friend. And don't get me wrong, I love AI. But suddenly my clients didn't need me to create their website and funnels anymore. They didn't need me help writing content for them. AI tools were doing everything faster and cheaper. I started losing my clients. My income dropped. And to be honest, I started losing confidence. I thought, is this the end of my online journey? Maybe I am not needed anymore. But then something happened. Just when I was about to quit, I discovered the Legacy Builder program. At first, I was skeptical. I have seen a lot of programs before. Most of them overpromise and underdeliver. Yes, my friend, I have purchased so many online courses. But believe me, this one felt different. It wasn't about learning 15 new skills. It wasn't about becoming a master content creator or spending money on ads. Instead, it gave me ready to use system. It showed me exactly how to use social media, not just to scroll through funny videos or other people's posts, but to actually build my own online empire. With 5.24 billion users worldwide, social media gives us the power to reach anyone, anywhere, anytime. Just like I am connecting with you right now, my friend. All with just a fingertip, a laptop or mobile, and a Wi-Fi. And the best part, it's all done using a simple 2 hours a day system. Within the first few days, I saw a boost in engagement. People started messaging me, and within weeks, I got my first few sales. It felt so good, my friend. not just to make money, but to feel valuable again. Here is what changed in my life since I joining. I built a consistent social media presence without spending hours a day. I started getting inbound messages from people asking about my offers. I turned my struggling freelancing business into a scalable income stream. And most importantly, I found a community of real people winning together. Now, I am just not working alone anymore, my friend. The Legacy Builder program connected me with a team, a system, and a path to long term income. Currently, we are 53.6 thousand members all over the world, and we are moving towards the 54,000 members. This is not just about me. Stay at home moms creating extra income. You can see Carrie Olson, one of our team member, achieved 100k. Another our team member earned 3,000 first week. Another team member earned $1,800 in first 7 days. So newcomers to online business making their first income online with this. If you have ever felt uncertain about your job, worried your business will not succeed, overwhelmed as a busy mom, or unsure how to actually turn social media to create your business and make income from the comfort of your home, then this might be exactly what you need. Now you have two options, my friend. Option 1: keep trying to figure it all out your own. Spend weeks or months testing, tweaking, and struggling like countless others. Or option 2: shortcut the process. Follow my exact step, what I did, how I achieved this income. Use the system I used and start building your own legacy with the right support, tools, and strategy that actually works. It worked for me and might be work for you. What you will get when you will buy Legacy Builders Program 2.0 from me. Now it's time for the bonuses from me. My personal done for you support. Yes, my friend, you will get my personal done for you support. You will get my personal Zoom call support whenever, wherever you will need. My organic Facebook marketing strategy, which helped me to generate $5,400 in just 1 month. Yes, my friend, earlier I promoted one affiliate program with this strategy. I will give you the exact strategy. Any technical support you will need, I will be there for you. So, if you are ready to take the next step, let's do this together. Go here www.getlegacybuilderprogram.com. Click the buy button, join the program, and let's turn your next 30 days into the most powerful chapter of your online journey. Because the truth is, you are not stuck, you just need the right system with the right support. And now you have found it. Can't wait to see you inside the program. Let's build your legacy together. Go here www.getlegacybuilderprogram.com. Thank you, my friend, watching the presentation. See you in the next video.